Palm tree, please move. Thank you. Oh! Okay, I got spawned in space. Apparently. What just happened? Okay, let's see how many team kills we can make with one bomb. They're all there! No! Oh. Only 2. They don't know I'm here. Damn. Oh, there's another one. Wait, I got his driver. Wait, I got his driver. What do you mean? How did he move? I got his driver. What? I think I can hear a mouse. No, that wasn't a mouse. He saw his teammate dying and just went for it. Whoa! Oh. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is looking great. 7? Come on. Yes. 6. Depression. Oh. Oh. Can I sneak behind him? Let's find out. He's looking at me. Nope. Oh. Oof. That was close. He's just standing there. Menacingly. Hello. Okay. What? I even got his ammo. No Tutel. That poor Tutel. Oh shit. Oh. Oh no, I forgot to open. Oh.
Helicopter, helicopter.
Oh. Oh look, that will have hit him. Another rat in the jungle. And he missed somehow. He can just machine gun me, that's the problem. I have to go somewhere else. What the fuck? I went around the whole mountain for that. Oh no. Did you see how the shell bounced? There. Didn't we get his horizontal? Oh. But there's an... There were two! Oh. I didn't even see the second one. Ouch. 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 Commander Gunner, I have to run. How can he shoot when his commander and gunner are gone? That is what I don't get. Can I be funny? Oh, I can't. I'm quite surprised that we survived that. And that we got him. Who are you? Quite dangerous. He didn't see me. He can't see me. He can't see me. Oh, there's so many. Yeah, no, I'm out of here. Run! Oh, scheiße. Oh. That looks good. I see two. Only two? Three! Nice.